I've always had an interest in agriculture. My family owns a farm. I found that I really liked it. It was really intriguing to me learning about just like different plants and animals that are around us and how to grow that kind of stuff. And I hopefully am going to put that to use, especially in the spring, like growing my own crops and stuff.
In the Career and Technical Education program of study, Agriculture Education, scholars are getting hands-on experience in the areas of agriculture, food, and natural resources.
So what I'm learning here is how do we set up greenhouses as well as just normal agricultural practices and how to make it sustainable, which I'm going to combine with the skills I learned back home in Romania to open up a vineyard here in Washington.
Scholars are gaining skills for careers related to plant systems, biotechnology, agribusiness, natural resources, food production, and more.
We just finished a unit on like where all of our food and everything comes from, and that was kind of an eye-opener. It's good to know where all of your food comes from, and it's good to know how all of your food is like coming from the farm to your table, especially when it comes to things like pesticides and artificial growth hormones, which is something we learn about.
CTE courses within the Agriculture Education program of study include horticulture, animal science, urban agriculture, and agricultural leadership. Many of these courses allow scholars to earn dual credit and industry certifications. Explore all CTE programs of study at www.fwps.org/CTE programs.